Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to flip an image using CSS. As you can see, I got two images. This one is the actual image and this is the image that I have flipped using CSS. So this is what we're going to achieve in this video. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. I already got an image file here, image.jpg. Let's create an index file, index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure here. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we need a div element. Inside this div element we need two image elements. Remove this part. Source will be image.jpg. Simply copy and paste it here. Give it a class flip. Save it. Now create a style sheet here, style.css. Select the body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select div element. Margin top will be 50 pixels. Display will be flex. Justify content will be center. Gap will be 50 pixels. Select image element. Height will be 300 pixels. Width will be same, 300. Border will be 1 pixel solid black. Border radius will be 5 pixels. Now save it. Open this file in the browser to see the output. And this is the output. Now it's time to flip this image. So let's go to code editor. Select flip class. Now here use transform property. And use scale x function here and pass -1 to flip it horizontally. Save it, go to browser, and that's your output. In a similar way, if you want to flip it vertically, you can make it scale y. Save it, and that's the output. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.